I just won $1 million? Hello? Hello? I've got a Samsung Galaxy 7. The battery life is terrible. It's just absolutely terrible. So what we're going to try to do today is replace it. The battery costs $10. If I break the phone in the process, I'll get a new phone, whatever. So let's have at it. We're gonna get our heat gun. Anybody see where the heat gun went? Okay guys, let's see what happens. That's hot, that's hot. You guys see the inferno in there? Alright, hopefully this thing doesn't blow up in our face. Alright, this thing is like super flush. I had a toolkit that came with the battery for like $10, but I don't really think any of these things are strong enough and thin enough to get in here. So I'm gonna try using a razor blade. I don't know. This isn't looking good, guys. I think one of the hardest parts is when your case is already kind of cracked, getting it open without doing more damage. One of the things I've learned over the years is go slow. If you rush it, you break it. Alright, we got a little bit of progress. I think we gotta be really careful using the razor blade. If that thing slips, that will slice. There's definitely some glass fragments breaking off here. I think I gotta run the heat gun again. Oh yeah, look at that. Just coming right up there. It probably would be a good idea just to replace the back case, especially, yeah. Alright, we got the back case off. What do we do next? Did I break it? Did I break it? Ooh, this is where the wire gets real thin. You gotta be super careful, man. Woo! There's a number of screws that I have to remove in order to get to the battery. Problem is, my little screwdriver is not strong enough to get these other two screws out. Fortunately, in my case, I have another screwdriver that I bought from some other project when I was working on electronics. Boom. Alright, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's replace the battery. Boop. Definitely getting a little resistance with getting this battery out. There might be some glue on the other side. Well, that just cracked. Woo. Well, there's our battery. Here is our new battery we're gonna pop in. Hopefully it's not a total piece of junk that blows up on us. Alright, let's put it back together. There's still enough stickiness on this thing. When I push it down, it kind of sticks back in. So just running my finger along here. Powers up, turns on. We've got a working battery. Woohoo! If you try to replace your battery, best of luck to you, and have fun doing it. Worst case scenario, I guess you can buy yourself a new phone if you break it.